Today I want to show you how to make a bath bomb holder out of cardstock for your mini 2-inch bath bombs. Simply print out the design that comes with your templates on a laser printer or any home printer. I've used a heavy cardstock. You can use craft paper or white cardstock. Insert the cardstock into your Cricut cutter. Make sure your scoring stylus is loaded. As you can see, the Cricut will score your fold lines for you, as well as cut out the holes and the entire template holder. Remove your cardstock from your Cricut mat. Once you have everything cut out, now you can fold your bath bomb blister holder along the pre-scored lines. I have a handy scoring tool here that helps me get nice crisp folds. Go ahead and crease along all of the score lines. I use two-sided crafting tape to glue all of my sides together. Go ahead and place your two-sided tape along the bottom of the cardstock holder so that you can fold it in and it will seal itself to the front of the bath bomb blister holder. Gently press down to adhere the two-sided tape to the front of the holder. Now you have the base for your bath bomb blister holder. On the back side of the blister holder, place another piece of two-sided tape and remove the backing. You can also do all of your scoring by hand. I have a scoring mat and a scoring tool, and you just simply score along your guidelines. Then you can trim by hand with a table cutter or scissors after you have scored your lines following the guidelines. Now you're ready to cut out the circles that actually hold the bath bomb blisters. I have a circle cutter made by Fiskus that is really handy because you can select any size circle and use it to cut it out of any paper. You would go ahead and cut out all of the circles at this time. Try to match them up as best you can. Now it's time to insert your bath bomb blisters into the holder. I place them in facing all the same way, with the beveled edge facing the same way. Then, with your double-sided tape already applied, match up the bottom of your blister holder and press to seal the tape. Now your bath bomb blisters are secure in your bath bomb blister holder. This makes it easy to ship or to even sell these smaller size bath bombs at farmers markets and shows or fairs. I hope this tutorial helps you. This template is available for download on Etsy at tiresessentials.etsy.com. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to message us if you have any questions on Facebook or Instagram.